How to change city in Uber Drive. First thing you're gonna have to do is make sure that you are assigned as a driver in Uber. And if you want to change your city or drive in a new city in Uber, there are some requirements that you need to follow. So here is the official site from Uber where you have to meet the requirements. So if you want to drive in a new city, you first have to go to uber.com/drive/requirements and see if you meet all of this requirement. You still need to make sure that you are eligible to drive in a new city. So go ahead and tap on it so I can show you guys what the requirements are. So if you want to drive in a new city in Uber, there are some minimum requirements that you need to meet. So first thing, you need to meet the minimum age to drive in your state and then have at least 1 year of licensed driving experience in the US, 3 years if you're under 25 years old. And some state also require an in-state license, and then you can use an eligible four-door vehicle. There are some required documents as well. You need to have a valid U.S. driver's license, proof of residency in your city, state, or province, and proof of your vehicle insurance if you plan to drive on your own car, and a driver profile photo. And if you don't know how to take a valid photo, you could just click here to see how you could take your photo. Then you're going to have to meet the driver screening as well. After signing up, you can complete the screening online and it will review your driving record and criminal history. So, the first thing you have to do is sign up, then share the required documents mentioned above, and get the app, and you could just start working. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.